Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as requested, I'm making another cooking video. Lord knows why, but I'm giving it a go. So today's dinner choice is king prawn jalfrezi. These are the kind of paste that I'm going to be using. I've kind of already chopped up the vegetables. So this is 1 onion, which is finely sliced. I've put 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper sliced into finger width slices, and then I've used 300 grams of cherry tomatoes and halved them. I've already taken the shells off for the prawn, and currently cooking the rice. So we've added a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt, and now that's cooking. So we're gonna start making the prawn jalfrezi now. So first up, I am frying the onions for about 5 minutes until they are golden. So now that it's lightly golden, I'm adding in the peppers and also using ginger, which I've chopped into finely thin kind of matchsticks. Frying this for about 2 minutes. So now I'm adding in Bengali paste. So I added a splash of water with the Bengali paste and frying that for 2 minutes. Sprinkling in the masala blend, it's more like peri-peri salt. Half of that masala blend went on my clothes. Fun fact, that's brilliant. And I also added in 50 milliliters of water. Don't know why I went American there. Now I'm going to add the tomato wedges and then stir fry for 2 minutes. So I am spooning in the ginger tomato paste, which kind of just looks like tomato ketchup in my opinion, but hey ho. And now I'm going to add 100 milliliters of water. Adding the spoon in there so that the ginger tomato actually comes off the spoon. Right, just gonna keep mixing that. So this is supposed to be quite a dry curry. So if when you decide to make this, if you do, and the water evaporates, it's not a bad thing. Like, you're doing the right steps. Don't worry, honey. You keep going. Right, so now I need to add a tablespoon of tomato puree. So now I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes before adding in the prawns. So last step is to add all the prawns in. So if it doesn't make a big splash. Okay, that was pretty good. And now I'm going to mix it all up, basically. So I've never cooked prawn before, but I know that it's fully cooked when it turns pink and curls up. So I'm going to wait for that. Guys, I don't know why, but it's really hard to do this and record one hand at the same time. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of how you cook this. I've also cleaned up the kitchen so that my mum won't shout at me. Have a spotless kitchen and cooking at the same time. I'd say I'm a chef now. And voila, the prawns are cooked. The water should have evaporated, but it hasn't. But I'm not mad about it because I like my curries with a bit more water. The rice is still cooking, but I'm planning on mixing the rice into the prawn. Even though they said to kind of put it on the side, but I don't want to. I want to mix it in because it's just easier that way to eat. So yeah. Just mixing in the rice now. And there we go. So this is how it looks like served. You can add yogurt if you're into that, but I'm not. But yeah, I'm pretty chuffed that I managed to make this. This kind of looks like the chicken jambalaya, but it's not. I'm just telling you that. These are some prawns, as you can see, hiding in there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know if you in the comments if you do make this. It's really super easy to. I'll put the recipe in the box below as well. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.